Welcome back, Blade Gang. This Old Sword reviews. That's me. And what do we got for you today but another Maxace. Been doing quite a few of these lately, kind of getting into them. Breaks up the Civivis and the Bestecs and Kaisers and what have you, and is a nice counterpoint. So here we go. We have, from White Mountain Knives, I might add, the Maxace Lanius model ML06. Nice presentation in the box here, by the way, a little magnetic cover. And there she is right away. And if I can get it out of the tight foam, nicely packed. Here, let's take a closer look at an all stainless steel handle with brown G10 inserts. It's a little darker brown than the ones I've been doing from Kaiser and Civivi. Got them on both sides, a little different cutouts on each side. As I say, stainless steel handle, a little on the heavy side, at least kind of a dead weight sort of a thing. We've got a clip that's not deep carry, but easy in and out of the pocket. So if you're a deep carry fan, you may not go for it. There is a sliver of a lanyard hole at the very pommel, kind of a spear-shaped pommel there, which is interesting. Let's take a look. There is a very interesting blade, almost like a fractal shape. Not sure if you want to call that a Wharncliffe. I wouldn't. I'd call it a spear point with a straight drop to the top edge. Nice wedge. I'm not sure how well you can see this, but that's a carbon fiber insert in the blade. Goes all the way through. Either that or they put a sliver in each side. I'm not sure which. And that's just blacked out. That looks like it could be carbon fiber too, but it's blacked out. We got a nice black stonewash, and on the flats we have very nice brushed finish. Kind of a light stonewash on the handle, and a nice thumb ramp there. I'm going to run you off some specs because this came from White Mountain, but I have pretty complete specs from Blade HQ, so I'm going to defer to them. By the way, a little overview. Lanius model sports a tumbled stainless steel handle. Yep. And they're calling it a stonewash Wharncliffe blade. Okay. Carbon fiber insert. Maxace Lanius was named after a small yet ferocious bird that exemplifies the power of this compact folding knife. Oh, that's cool. This sleek EDC utility knife offers tough stainless steel construction and high performance Sandvik 14C 28 blade. They're calling it 14C 28 9. I think it's 28N. It's a misprint. Let's do some specs real quick. Overall length is 7.875 inches. Blade length 3.375. Cutting edge, because of the choil, 3 inches. Blade width, top to bottom, 1.125 inches. Thickness is 0.14 inches. So coming up on about 3.5 millimeters. Sandvik 14C28N, they got it right there. And a handle length of 4.5 inches. Handle material is G10 and stainless. The color is brown gray, whatever that means. It is kind of a dark brown. And it is everyday carry, flipper, manual open, tip up, right hand only. Okay, so those are the specs for the Lanius. Take another look at it kind of more closely. Got some actually aggressive jimping there on the backspacer near the pommel. Integrated steel lanyard hole. Got a nice little ramp there, flipper ramp. You only see that on like Wies and some of the Todd Knife and Tool designs. They made that popular. It is a locking bar frame lock construction. Since this is a steel frame lock, we do not need the steel insert, and I don't sense any sticking or galling there, which is nice. Maybe just a tiny bit, not even. Doesn't impede the closing. It is on bearings as far as I know. Quick drop shut with one motion of the hand, no problem. Got the Maxace logo there. This is what they call Maxace and Midnight Cat. Maxace is like the parent company for Midnight Cat as far as I know. There's a little bit of billboarding there, not bad. Gives you the name of the knife and the steel. Absolutely nothing on the show side, which is nice because that is the show side. Got that interesting geometric pattern, more so on the show side than on the lock side. No jimping here. Really nice usable blade choil, so you can pinch it right in here and grip and you're good. Ergos, very neutral. It's a thinner handle. What did we say that was? Let's make them honest. Yeah, under ½ inch, 0.46. And you know, overall, it looks small, but there's plenty of handle left over. Again, you got that choke up. You can hold it back here, place your thumb on the top. That's fairly flat. It's not crowned, it's just strictly flat right out to the tip. Fairly fine tip. This is a pointy, piercy kind of a blade. Call it a Wharncliffe if you like. You know, I think this is that straight down grind there is why they're calling it a Wharncliffe. Otherwise, to me, it definitely is a point on line with the center of the handle. And that to me is more spear point. Anyway, not going to go on about that. Let's take a look at it in comparison to some of the usuals. So we got the Maxace Lanius and the Benchmade Griptilian. Griptilian, ever so slightly longer blade, longer handle. It's a bigger knife by a smidge. Got the Freak here. Freak's going to be a good deal larger blade, regardless of how we set the perspective. And for the big knife comparison, I'll use my amalgam, of course. And it is a good deal larger, as you can see. Just bigger all the way around. Almost a 9-inch blade. Knife overall. So tell me what you think about the Maxace Lanius. These do seem to still be available. It's a model that's been out for a little while, I think at least a year. I know they're sold out on White Mountain. He's not sure he's going to reorder. They haven't been super popular, I'm told. But again, I am seeing it on Blade HQ. And if it's out there, I know that they're moving them and stocking them. So there you go. Price point should give you that. Is MSRP is 116, but the street price, so to speak, is $78. So you can pick this up for 80 bucks, let's say, plus your shipping and whatever taxes, what have you. It's an interesting alternative, and not recalling whether I quickly recited a weight or not. It is just under 5 ounces. So for its size, it's a little on the heavy side, but it's not going to be crazy in your pocket or anything. Nice action. Just nice jimping there on the tab. Nice, quick, snappy action. Almost can fail it. Almost. But, you know, if you're trying to open it, it's going to open for sure. Okay, Maxace Lanius. Hope you enjoyed this review. Give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe. I got at least one other Maxace review coming out, and a few other interesting knives for sure. Got one coming from Blade Runners. You might like it. This old sword signing out.